Arjun, nicknamed Bunny, is well known as a stylist star for his unique way of acting and dancing. He is also a producer, model, dancer, and a playback singer. The actor hails from Chiranjeevi family, being the son of producer Allu Arvind and the grandson of late comedian Padma Shri Allu Ramalingaya. He has acted in as many as 20 films and bagged 5 Filmfare Awards South and 3 Nandi Awards, and also includes some prestigious awards like Cinema, Saima and IFA Awards. Arjun's career started as a child artist in Vijeta and as a dancer in Daddy. The actor made his debut in Telugu film industry with his first movie Gangotri. Since then, he is also known for changing his hair and body for each movie that he does. The actor shot to fame with hit movies like Arya, Bunny and Parugu. Forbes India placed Allu Arjun in the top 50 India Celebrity 100 list. He is the first Telugu actor of this generation to receive an award for his work in the neighboring film industry. By this award, Bunny created a new record in Tollywood industry. Allu won his first Filmfare Award as Best Actor for Parugu. His role in Rudramadevi as Gona Gannareddy won him Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor and Nandi Award for Best Character Actor. For Bhaskar's Parugu, critics praised his efforts, mannerisms and dancing. Idlebrain.com wrote, Allu Arjun is pretty excellent. He carried the entire first half on his shoulders. He excelled in the emotional scenes in the second half. After a couple failures, films like Race Gurram, Sarainodu and DJ brought him back on the success track, with each grossing more than 100 crores. He collaborated with director Trivikram Srinivas thrice for July, Son of Satyamurthy and Ala Vaikunthapuramulo. All 3 are successful, with the latter grossing over 262 crores at the box office. Allu Arjun film Ala Vaikunthapuramulo crossed 100 crores at the box office within just 6 days of its release. Allu Arjun shared the first look of his next film titled Pushpa, directed by Sukumar. His rugged look is quite impressive. Renowned cricketer David Warner is quite the Allu Arjun fan. Warner's dance videos have caught the attention of not only millions of fans but of Allu Arjun himself. Allu started a nightclub named 800 Jubilee in collaboration with M Kitchens and Buffalo Wild Wings. Stylist star Allu Arjun, who has endorsed brands like Colgate, Hero Motocrop, Hotstar, Pro Kabaddi League, 7up, Joy Alucas and Redbus etc. in the past, has signed another national brand. Parle Agro has roped in Allu Arjun to endorse its flagship brand Fruity in South India. Allu Arjun, who is known for his philanthropy, he donated 1.25 crores to the relief funds of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Kerala. The stylish star of Tollywood donated 20 lakhs to the Corona Crisis charity, and this takes his total contribution to 1.45 crores. Every year on his birthday, April 8th, he donates blood and attends functions for physically and mentally challenged kids. Besides being an illustrious actor though, Allu Arjun gives back to his community and shows to be a successful role model.